Right guys, I have an unpackaging to do today. I bought a Galaxy, one of those Galaxy Northern Lights. This is a really good branded one. Recommended by a friend of mine as a reviewer. In the box. So, there you are. Aurora star projection light. LED star projection. So, always got an app with the QR code. Our energy efficiency is F. So this is what it looks like. So you've got sounds, you've got rain sound and thunderstorm and all of that. It's got a timer and everything. Yeah, so let's just inside. Well packaged. Comes with a remote control, power cord, another device, the user manual instructions, and more padding. Safety. Okay, so this looks quite slick. White color. I ordered white color actually. I'm just plugging the cable in. There's the remote control. It's got a battery inside. Oh wow! Oh wow! Look at that! Amazing! Amazing! It's like